Mm. Look, did you remember that? That woman is using my phone, and then she keeping complaining. What happened, Prince? I will show you. I will show you. She keeping complaining me that while we take a picture that we make a video because she using my phone, and then she said, "What happened to your phone? It's cannot be like no filter, no nothing." Oh my God, Princess. Your phone is showing the original looks. And I said, well, it's not my fault that's what I